Mom, if you're watching, avert your eyes, because this is going to get messy. Okay, today, it's our first installment of Jason's Outrageous Takes, and our very own food expert, Jason Skrobar, is sharing his over-the-top recipes. I couldn't be more excited to be here. Outrageous sandwiches today.
Over the top.
Over the top. Okay, the first one is blueberry hoisin duck extravaganza.
That's right. So what we're going to do is we're starting with the sauce, which is really important.
Yes.
What we've done is we've crisped up some onions, some garlic, and some ginger in here, and we're going to add all of our flavors. So we have some rice wine vinegar. Okay. We have some ponzu.
Oh wow. Okay.
We have some sesame oil. We have some hoisin, which
you are really saying a whole lot of words that might intimidate people at home.
Well, it's because it's outrageous, but you can actually get a lot of these things in the grocery store now. They're a lot more common.
What about duck? People are. I've never bought duck. I've eaten it in restaurants, but it's not something I would think to cook myself.
So it's not a common common meat to cook, but you can get it at your butcher shop. Okay. Not at your grocery store, but at the butcher.
Okay.
So what I did was basically to cook the duck breast, you cook it in a cast iron pan. 6 to 7 minutes per side. Throw it in the oven for another 8 minutes, and it's done.
And it's done.
Really easy. It's a lot easier than I think people think.
Okay.
So the sauce has pretty much come together. Then what we did is after we cooked the duck breast, we cut it, slice it really thinly.
Okay.
This goes into the sauce.
Okay.
And then that's just gonna sit there with the sauce for a few minutes.
You let it thicken up.
Yeah. But we've got some already done. So
that's done. Okay.
So that's the inside of the sandwich.
Yes.
The outside of the sandwich is I took 2 croissants.
Yes.
I cut them in half. I stuffed it with camembert, which is a soft ripened French cheese.
Okay.
And I basically made a grilled cheese. So that's the bottom bun, that's the top bun. So then we're gonna take the duck that we just made. We're gonna add that to...
Oh my gosh. Oh, so it's a double-barreled, it's got 2 grilled cheeses as the... Well, it is extravaganza.
Right.
Oh, wow.
And then, so then we take this.
Oh my God.
Down. Now, there's a cloth if you want to go in, or we can go right into the next one and you can have some.
Okay, how about I just have
some of the duck? Yeah.
Okay. Wow, that's fantastic. I thought the blueberry would be overpowering.
No, because all the other, there's some salty, some sweet.
That's amazing.
Yeah. So the second sandwich is a chicken and waffle sandwich with a Gruyere sauce. The Gruyere sauce is for our director, Attila. What we did here is we made some waffles.
And it looks like there's something in them.
So they're savory waffles, so there's some parsley in there.
Okay.
And then we made some fried chicken. Okay?
Fantastic.
So you take 1 or 2 pieces of chicken. And then so this is basically a bechamel. I'm adding the Gruyere here.
Yeah.
And to up it, we've got some bacon.
Yes, we do.
All of this goes in here. It takes just a second to come together, right? Here we go.
Oh, yes.
Quick and easy.
Quick and easy.
And then this is going to go on top of here. Right?
Oh, you know me so well. Oh, my God.
Cheesy, bacony.
Okay.
No green.
No green. Oh, jeez.
No.
Okay. My whole life has been leading up to this one moment.
Wow.
Sweet, fancy Moses, that's good.
Oh,
this is incredible.
Yeah? It's outrageous, isn't it?
I don't say this often, Jason, but I love you so much.
Aww.